Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami flapping bird. So first you get the paper. This is like from a set, and you fold it like that. So you fold it in a triangle. Yeah. And then, wait, I've done that wrong. You fold it again. Sorry. And no, I did the other way. But you fold the flap up.
Keep it going.
And you pull it up and you go squeeze. Squeeze! Squeeze, squeeze. So when you do that, you turn it over, and then you do that, and you go squeeze, and then you pull it up, and you open it, and it's a bit obvious right now that you go squeeze.
Oh.
Yeah. So you should have the square, and you got these two. The bottom which is open. So I'm going to turn it around so I can do it. Okay, and then I think you fold it like that. Actually, no, you don't. You turn it over. No, you don't. You just fold it in over here, and you squeeze, squeegee, and then you squeeze again. You go squeeze, and then you crease it. You turn it over, and you find there, and you squeeze, and turn it back over. You can open it all up, then you basically, hang on. No, you can leave it like that. And then, when you pull it open, these two things should bend. Like that. And that just failed. But, I haven't made this for ages. So basically, you go squeeze. Yeah, and then you turn it over, and then you pull the flap up, and then that should be stuck. So when you pull it up, it should be like that, and then you can do what you just did. So try and make it the same. Mine's a fail, but it doesn't really matter today. So you try and make it like sharp. I don't really know what I'm doing today, so. Because it's a snowy day. I think. Oh, I just ripped it. But, you should have these two things. Oh, first of all, that is the bird base. What you do now is, hang on, you fold, you get this side and you fold it up and this side. Yeah? Doesn't really look like a bird yet because it needs a head. So, to make the head, first of all, you have to open this up, the side, and I think you pull it up. So, and you do that on the other side as well, for the tail. Yeah? After that, you get this side, you open, and then you fold down. So that looks like a bird a bit. If you fold the wing over there, and then you try and line that up over there, if you hold over here, and you pull the tail, it doesn't really flap. But
What? Oh, just talk. Open.
yeah, so it didn't really work. Yeah, but the thing is, if you pull too hard, then it might undo. But the head still looks perfect.
Putting it down. I'm not actually
And
first.
if you go like that, and you pull the head, it just comes apart. And then if you try and... Oh, I ripped it. If that's why. See the rip there? Yeah? Yeah. So, you can kind of see all the folds, but if you, like, fold them too much, everything will go really weird. Like, you can't just get your friends.
Get to the point.
You can't ask your friends to do the folds, because if you just try and follow all the folds, you end up getting frustrated and going like this.
Oh, stupid! Okay,
Thank you for watching.
This video was brought to you by Philip Tassi, our first subscriber. He has one video which he did on the Yamaha Raptor 700 RS. See this video. There you go, 45
Thank you for
seconds.
watching. Please
Bye.
remember
If
to
you-
rate, comment and subscribe. Not yet.
If you want to subscribe, we'll advertise for your videos and maybe you'll get an extra view or two. Bye.